Told her I can't stress, make that money less. If I fall off right now, ain't nobody got a net. I can't break my back, I can't even break a sweat. Call me right.
Alright, what's up? I just woke up in the morning. It's day 6 in Costa Rica. We're about to go river rafting. It's about 7 a.m. I'm not gonna be able to bring my camera because of the fact that we're going river rafting. So I want to be off my iPhone for the rest of the little river rafting. But after that, I'm gonna be back on my camera. So from here, we're gonna go river rafting. I know it's getting foggy, but it's because of the humidity up here. So I'll see you guys there. Off the iPhone now. Waiting for the bus to come get us. This is my vlog camera for now. I'm sorry that I can't take my camera. Gosh. Dustin, you're the star of this vlog.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sitting up here.
You're the star of this vlog. Two-tone grip. I'll put the vlog on too, that. Pulling up. Expensive shit.
¿Perdón? Más para abajo. No, acá. Aquí. Bueno, right now. There you go. Go, Matthew. Where we're going? Oh, yeah. Can we just kind of fall back? Do it, just do it.
Oh my gosh!
Feet up, feet first. Feet up, facing that way. Another way. Open your arm.
I'm not supposed to, but I'm gonna get some clips of it. He's like, get in, you piece of shit!
Andrew, you lazy piece of shit.
I'm gonna grab you.
Oh shit. Okay, I'll get him too. This guy just jumped! He just jumped up in the air!
Just finished zip lining. I miss Kenneth already. Kenneth's taking us to the spot we're going. Taking a detour from the hotel. ¿Dónde es?
Watch out with the cards. Watch out the cards. Yeah, the road. Right there. Oh yeah. Thank you.
Okay, you can see it now. It's right there.
Ahí está todo el tiempo.
Kenneth is our new favorite person. Where's Kenneth? Oh, there he is. You can see him right there. Caleb, you're rocking the view from Kenneth. That's him in the red shirt. Thoughts on Kenneth?
Say, Kenneth, is this gonna make us miss our dinner reservation?
Everyone's looking at her.
Center of attention.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Can't eat the shell.
Who's around it?
Perfect match. Thumbnail. Just wrapping out the iPhone. Oh, waterfall we found. Are we eating right now? Damn, they take one. Backflip.
So this is goodbye? So this is goodbye?
After everything, this is how it ends?
Shook my hand.
Bye. Let's all say it together in unison. 1, 2, 3.
We love you, Kenneth.
I stayed in that
You can't. He came into it. He's living our lives as fast as he came into it.
We'll never be the same.
Nothing was the same. Adios.
Bye-bye.
He's living our lives as fast as he came into it. No, I'm empty. Nothing was the same. Got tatted on my chest. My camera's locked away, so I can't record with that, but look how bad it's getting right now. This place is so bipolar. I'm gonna update you guys on this too real quick. Look at how much we've gotten bitten so far. Look, there's some right there. All on my legs. It's literally, I think I have over 20 at this point. There's a big spider one right there. It's so bad. But besides that, the trip's been good. No complaints. The food here is the best thing ever. Gracias. Alright, it's about 9:30 p.m. now. I'm about to end this vlog. I know I recorded basically the whole thing off my iPhone, but I didn't have time to get my camera, and there's basically no point in switching now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, hit the like button down below. Tomorrow we're going to be moving to another place. I think we're going to be hitting some spots on the way over, so it should be a cool vlog. Looking at some new things, some new destinations, and we're going to stay at a new place. So there should be a new tour if you guys want that. So yeah, comment what you thought down below. Any suggestions of video. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys in the next video.